Hey everyone, we're going to test this mini fridge. It has space for 6 cans. It has connectors for both standard wall outlets and a car cigarette port. According to the user manual, this fridge can lower temperature inside up to 32 degrees Fahrenheit lower than what's on the outside. So we're going to test this using this thermometer. As you can see right now, it is around 67 around 67 degrees Fahrenheit on the outside. So I'm going to put this inside and I'm going to close it. I'm going to be there on the top. And I'm going to connect, and we'll be back after some hours, maybe 1 to 3 hours, to see how well it chilled the beverage and the thermometer. It's been 1 hour since we turned this mini fridge on, and we're going to confirm whether or not it has worked as we expected. Yeah, it feels a bit colder. The can feels colder. Let's see the temperature. Oh yeah, baby, it feels cold, definitely. Wow, yeah, definitely it worked. It was at 67 degrees. Yeah, I remember it was at 67, and now it is at 42 and a half. 42 and a half, 52 and a half. It's not 32 degrees Fahrenheit, but yes, it's still considerable amounts of temperature drop. So we're gonna leave it for another 2 hours to see how it works. Oh yeah, so far so good. Now it's been a little bit over 3 hours, and we want to check if temperature has lowered a bit more or not. Seems a bit colder, can. And wow, yeah, it seems that it dropped a bit compared to the last video. Now it reached 40. Yeah, 40 compared to the 67 degrees. It's a bit less than the temperature 3 hours ago, but still it's not the 32 degrees that they promised, because as we remember it was at 67. So the drop in temperature has been, no, it's 45, I'm sorry, it's not 40, it's 45. Yes, it's 45. So the temperature drop was 27 degrees.